turning power tools into artistic tools. This is creativity in action. This talented artist uses an angle grinder fitted with a custom soft grinding pad to carve stunning designs into wood. From intricate butterflies and delicate floral patterns to lifelike portraits and vibrant bird figures, the level of precision and artistry is simply breathtaking. Who knew an angle grinder could transform into such a delicate tool for artistic expression? This blend of craftsmanship and technology proves that with the right tools and a spark of imagination, anything is possible. Would you dare to try this at home and unlock your inner artist?